Hey y'all, if you're new here, welcome to Sam's Mercantile. If you've been here before, welcome back. Okay, let's jump right in. If you're running a print business, whether it's custom t-shirts, mugs, tumblers, or anything in between, you know how important it is to market your products. But today, we're going to talk about something that can take your marketing game to the next level: social media marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you why social media is so powerful for small print businesses like yours, and how you can leverage platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and even TikTok to drive sales, build your brand, and connect with customers in a way that just wasn't possible before. Whether you're a total newbie to social media or you're looking for new ways to optimize your strategy, this video will give you the tools you need to start making social media work for you. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about why social media is such a game changer for your print business. It's simple. Social media gives you direct access to millions of potential customers. Your target audience is already hanging out online, so why not meet them where they are? Instead of relying solely on traditional marketing or word of mouth, social media allows you to showcase your designs, interact with your audience, and promote your brand in a way that feels authentic and personal. But it's not just about reaching new customers, it's about building relationships. Social media provides a platform for conversations where customers can comment on your posts, ask questions, and even share their experiences with your products. By engaging with your audience, you can turn first-time buyers into loyal followers and raving fans. And guess what? Loyal customers are repeat customers, which means more sales and more growth for your business. Pro tip: social media is a two-way street. If you want people to engage with you, you have to engage with them. Respond to comments, answer DMs, and show appreciation for your customers. Now, not all social media platforms are created equal. While there are a ton of platforms to choose from, the key is finding the ones that align with your brand and your audience. Let's break down some of the top platforms and how they can work for your print business. Instagram. If you're not already on Instagram, get on it. Instagram is an incredibly visual platform, which makes it perfect for showing off your custom designs. Post high-quality photos and videos of your products, share behind-the-scenes content, and use Instagram stories and reels to keep your audience engaged. It's a great platform for building a community and showcasing your work in an appealing, eye-catching way. Facebook. Facebook is still one of the biggest social media platforms around, and it's fantastic for building a community. You can create a business page, post regular updates, and even run Facebook ads. Facebook groups are also a great way to connect with like-minded people and build a loyal following. Plus, you can share customer testimonials, run giveaways, and interact with people in real time. Pinterest. Pinterest is a powerhouse for businesses in the visual space, especially in the print industry. People go to Pinterest to find inspiration, and that's exactly what you're providing. By creating visually appealing pins that link directly to your shop, you can drive traffic to your website or Etsy store. Pinterest is fantastic for creating evergreen content, meaning your posts can keep working for you over time. TikTok. If you're looking for a way to connect with a younger audience and show off your creativity, TikTok is the place to be. The algorithm makes it possible for new accounts to go viral quickly, meaning you can reach a ton of people with just one engaging video. Use TikTok to share fun behind-the-scenes clips, design tutorials, and relatable content that'll get people excited about your brand. Pro tip: don't try to be everywhere at once. Focus on one or two platforms where your target audience hangs out and get really good at using them. You can always expand to other platforms later. Now that you know which platforms to focus on, let's talk about the type of content that will connect with your audience. There are a few different types of content you'll want to post regularly to keep things interesting and engaging. Product shots and showcases. This is a no-brainer. People want to see your products in all their glory. Whether it's a custom t-shirt, mug, or tote bag, show it off in high-quality photos and videos. If possible, show your products in use. Someone wearing your shirt, sipping coffee from your mug, or carrying your bag. This gives potential customers a clear idea of how the product fits into their life. Behind-the-scenes content. People love seeing the process behind the products. Share videos or images of you designing, printing, and packing orders. This not only gives your business a personal touch, but also helps customers feel more connected to the work you do. Customer testimonials and user-generated content. Social proof is powerful. Ask your customers to share photos of themselves with your products and repost them on your social media. Testimonials and reviews also work wonders in building trust. When potential customers see real people enjoying your products, they're more likely to buy. Engaging stories and polls. Instagram and Facebook stories are perfect for more interactive content. Run polls, ask questions, and do mini Q&A sessions. This helps keep your audience engaged while making them feel involved with your brand. Pro tip: make sure your photos and videos are well lit and show your products in their best light. Consider investing in a ring light or some simple photo editing apps to make your visuals pop. You've probably heard this before, but it's true. Consistency is key when it comes to social media. If you want to keep your audience engaged, you have to post regularly. That doesn't mean you need to post every hour, but aim for at least a few times a week to keep your business top of mind. Creating a content calendar can help you stay on track. Plan out your posts for the week or even the month, so you're not scrambling for ideas. The more consistent you are with your posting schedule, the more likely it is that your audience will engage with your content. Pro tip: use scheduling tools like Buffer, Later, or Hootsuite to plan and automate your posts. This will save you time and help you stay consistent without needing to post everything in real time. Once you've built up some content and engagement, it's time to talk about paid advertising. Social media platforms offer a variety of ways to run ads and promote your products, and these can be incredibly effective in reaching your target audience. Both Facebook and Instagram offer powerful ad tools where you can target specific demographics, age, interests, location, etc. Start by promoting your best-selling products or limited-time offers. You can also run ads for special events like a product launch, holiday sale, or giveaway. Pro tip: don't go overboard with your ad spend at first. Start small, test different ads, and see what works best before scaling up. Make sure your ad copy is clear, compelling, and includes a call to action like shop now or learn more. Social media marketing for your print business is not just about posting pretty pictures. It's about connecting with your audience, building trust, and creating content that resonates. Whether you're using Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Pinterest, there's a platform that's perfect for your business. Just remember to stay consistent, create engaging content, and don't be afraid to invest in ads when the time is right. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite social media tips for your print business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.